If you want to use power button for Google Assistant on Google Pixel 9a, first of all we need to go to settings, scroll down in the settings and choose system. Over here go to gestures and then choose press and hold power button. So if you changed it before to power menu, we need to switch back to digital assistant so that we can press and hold the power button to activate the digital assistant. And then if you don't have Google Assistant but instead you have Gemini, so let's see how it is in my case. Yeah, so in case you have Gemini, you can switch to the Google Assistant by going to the Gemini app. Then we can tap on our profile in the top right corner, and then over here you should be able to find switch to Google Assistant and then switch over here. So now if you press and hold the power button, you actually get the Google Assistant. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!